Whoa, my lashes are not messing around. They are here. Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog on my channel. So we are in LA for the weekend. Steven's cousin is getting married and came here a couple days earlier to do some like YouTuber things. Steven's gonna film some stuff. I wanna do some stuff, lots of stuff happening. So we are in our hotel and we're about to head out for the day. I'm obviously all ready to go. This just doesn't happen overnight, people. So for today, I want to shoot a bunch of looks. So I've got some stuff laid out here, some shoes from Miss Lola. Oh no, oh no. So I have some looks laid out. So we're gonna shoot some stuff for my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you have not yet. You should by now, like why aren't you? Steven's gonna be the best Instagram boyfriend in the entire world and help me and be my photographer because he is supportive. Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, baby? Yeah, so that's the plan. Look who we ran into. Wow.
Wow. Where am I?
Alright guys.
Bye. Where are we going?
It's like we're honestly low-key in like Disneyland.
I know it does. So we just ran into the gang. This is outfit change number 2 of the day. And I don't really know what we're doing right now. Do you know what we're doing? What are we doing?
Walk around the campus.
We're just walking around USC. I had to think of where we were for a second. Dogs, oh my gosh. Puppies. Oh.
It's got nothing on Scout.
Yeah, Scout's cuter.
You guys suck.
Just flips off the puppies. We got another slight outfit change. Changed up my hair just a tiny little bit. And we're in a parking little garage thing and we're on Rodeo Drive. Gonna do some light shopping. Yeah, hopefully find something to eat. Cause I'm hungry, he's hungry, I have to pee, he has to pee. That is the sitch. The Louis Museum.
Yeah, I'm here for Louis Vuitton.
Vuitton. Oh my gosh.
What? Dad?
We have a little camera set up in our room to see Scout and we like miss him like crazy because he's back in Arizona and you can like talk to him and every time we do it, he like whatever he's doing, he's just like looking around like, where is that coming from? It's Christmas. This is freaking pretty. This is the prettiest sight. Got ourselves some fine dining here on Rodeo Drive.
Chipotle.
Chipotle. Sky in the background is just like staring hardcore. Yeah, so we're just getting a really late lunch. Not sure what the rest of our plan is for the day. Actually, I am sure. We need to go to an actual mall, like not like Rodeo Drive. Steven needs to get dress shoes. We have a wedding this weekend, that's why we're here. How is that Chipotle? Some good stuff. We are now at another mall.
This is so incriminating.
What? We got some sweet treats from, I don't really know what the place is. What is it?
85 Degree Bakery.
85 Degree Bakery, because we have a sweet tooth. We Because when don't we have a sweet tooth? And we're at a mall. I want to try this. It's like a big ho-ho. Look at that.
Yeah, and you're looking at another ho-ho. Two hoes.
Two hoes. So the verdict on the ho-ho looking thing.
Yo, that's a no-no.
Not a fan. I'm still gonna eat it, but like, it's not a good time. It could be better, could be better. Pass. So, I don't even know what time it is. You're too like tall for, me. So it is 5:15. It looks like it's like freaking 9 o'clock at night right now, but we are down in Santa Monica now. We're just like doing the grand tour today. Just walking around, looking at the shops. Gonna try to find some food. I think we're gonna do sushi tonight. A little date night action. Yeah, that's the status update. Would you move here?
Maybe.
That was scary. Yeah.
Because it'd make it a lot easier for me to do work.
Yeah. Where are we going?
No, because I've already lived in California and got that out of my system.
Yeah.
You want to do this?
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Well, this is it for the Q&A. Thank you for participating. Let's go eat.
Do it.
Let's do it. Ooh, baby.
Ooh, baby.
Get it. Cheers. So I may have over-ordered a little bit, just a tiny bit. We crushed it and demolished it. Way to go, team. Every now and then, I do like to have some sushi. You know, gotta treat myself. Not really a big seafood person, but sushi? Sushi, yes.
Not really a big seafood person, but raw fish?
See how one reaction works.
Yeah.
Wait.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hey. Hey, vlog.
Oh my god.
Oh, I love it.
FaceTiming Reno because he's watching Scout while we're here in LA.
Yeah, that's
Oh wait, I want to go to Urban Outfitters. Oh, do you want to go to PacSun? Hey guys, it is the next day, right? It's only been one day. Yeah, it's the next day. So we just got to our hotel in Beverly Hills. Like I mentioned in this vlog, we are here in LA for Steven's cousin's wedding. So we are here, it's wedding time, it's wedding weekend, and I want to wrap up the vlog, but first I wanted to show you this hotel room just because it's gorgeous, and I want to document how gorgeous it is. Here is the most gorgeous part of the hotel room. Every hotel comes with a Steven Shapiro. Oh, a thermosteven. All right, we walk in. Nice little, whatever you want to call this. And then the bathroom, foyer, yeah. It's got a foyer. And the bathroom, all the mirrors, perfect for getting ready. That's got the nice lighting. Shower, ooh, it's got a bathtub. Might have to take a bath. Probably not though. Oh, it has like the shower head that's on the ceiling. That's nice. All right, and then the room, big old TV, all this nice stuff. But my favorite part, this is like whatever. I mean, obviously it's still gorgeous. But my favorite part is this art, so cute, but this balcony. And of course, the sun is setting right now. But it is just the cutest little balcony. Got the French doors. when we come out. Hello, LA. Hello. But that is it for this little day in LA vlog that bled into today. You gonna come say bye to the vlog? Thank you, that was lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. I upload every Wednesday, sometimes Thursday because life happens. Bye.